Hi all, yeah, thought I'd give you a very reserved preview of the painted hull. There we go. 2 coats of top coat on the hull, midnight blue. She'll probably give it a quick sand and another couple of coats prior to launch, but that's how it's going to stay for now. And I have to say, very pleased. It's exactly the colour I was imagining. Very close at least, if not exactly the same as our previous boat. Yeah, it's looking good, and pleased with progress, as I've said a few times recently. I've also got a bit of gloss on the foredeck, so that's just about done. I haven't done the non-slip yet, but it's in progress. Karen and I spent a fair bit of time marking out the water line. Obviously we'll have to dunk her in the water to see where she actually floats, but that's the design water line at least, or close to it. And yeah, there we go. Looking very nice, I think.
Very glossy.
Very glossy, yes, indeed. So it's almost the end of the painting, and just about time to start getting inside and hooking systems up. The lights, electrics and water probably be first, and then into the engine room. Lazarette, I've still got to build a shelf in there, or I want to put a second floor in there, but those things will be coming next. Very exciting. There you go. Preview. Let's cut that.